Hi guys, I copied this from your activity, practice activity on page 341. I hope you answered your practice activity first before watching this video. Okay, so let's try answering it. Check your own paper and reflect on your mistakes. Okay, so we are going to cut this. Easiest way is to cut it this way. So therefore, we have here two figures again, maybe two rectangles. This is figure 1 and this is figure 2. Let's fill in the things that we need. So we have here the length, we have here the width. Covering this, we have here the length. How about this? What's the measurement of this? Sorry, the figure is not accurate. This is 5 meters. Oh, sorry. This should be meters. This measures 10 meters. This is 5 meters. Covering this part, opposite sides are equal. If this is 5 meters, this also measures 5 meters. Okay. Now, if this is 5 meters, what's the measurement of this? 10 minus 5 is 5 meters. Therefore, this also measures 5 meters. Sorry, the figure is not accurate, but you can refer to your books. Okay. So we are going to solve for the area of this first figure and the area of the second figure. So we have here area of the first figure. It's a rectangle. Length times width. Length is 6 meters. Multiply it to the width, which is 5 meters. 6 times 5, 5 times 6, skip counting, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So that is 30 meters squared. That's the area of the first figure. Now we are now going to solve for the area of the second figure. Area of the second figure. Length times width. Length is 5 meters. Multiply it to the width, which is 2 meters. Or 5 times 2. 2 times 5, just the same because you're just going to multiply them. 5 times 2, that is 10 meters squared. Okay. To solve for the total area of this composite figure, we are going to add these two together. So that is 30 meters squared plus 10 meter squared. That is meter squared. 0 plus 0 is 0. 3 plus 1 is 4. Therefore, the area of this composite figure is 40 meter squared. If your answer is 40 meter squared, give yourself 2 points. Very good. Hi guys, sorry I started the solution without taking a video of it. So I already cut. This is the letter B. This is letter B on your activity, practice activity. You have here figure A and figure 2. Figure 1, figure 2. So I already did this. I wasn't able to record it earlier, sorry. So length, area of the first rectangle, that is length times width. So the length is 50 centimeter. Multiply it to the width, which is 20 centimeter. So that is 50 times 20, which is 1000 centimeter squared. That is the area of the large rectangle. How about for the second figure? Sorry, I can't see. Gosh. So that is area of the smaller rectangle, that is length times width again. Our length is 15 centimeter. Multiply it to 10 centimeter. So that is 15 times 10. 15 times 10, any number multiplied to 0 is always 0. 0 times 5 is 0. 0 times 1 is 0. 1 times 5, any number multiplied to 1 is the number itself. 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 1 is 1. Add, that is 0. 0 plus 5 is 5. And 1. So that is centimeter squared. Therefore, 15 times 10 is 150 centimeter squared. To solve for the area of this composite figure, we're just going to add 1000 centimeter squared plus 150 centimeter squared. Again, don't forget to bring down the unit. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 5 is 5. 0 plus 1 is 1. Bring down 1. Therefore, if your answer is 1150 centimeters squared, give yourself 2 points. Please be honest. Okay, let's move on to letter C. Let's cut it again. I'm going to cut it this way. As long as your final answer is correct, then very good. Some of you might cut this way. Yeah, it doesn't matter. We're going to come up with the same answer anyway. So we have here 3 figures. First figure, second figure, and the third figure. First, let's solve for this. Okay. This side measures 5 centimeter. This is 2 centimeter. Therefore, this is 2 centimeter. This measures 2 centimeter. How about this? So that's just 5 minus 2, which gives us 3 centimeter. Same with this, right? If this is 5 centimeter, this also measures 5 centimeter. If this is 2 centimeter, therefore the measurement of this is also 3 centimeter. Okay? Now let's solve for this. It's a small rectangle. Length times width again. Length is 3 centimeter. Okay? Never mind 5 because that's the total length of this side. That is 3 centimeter. Multiply it to the width, which is 2 centimeter. Is equal to 3 times 2 is 6. So that is 6 centimeter squared. We are done with figure 1. Figure 2. Again, it's a rectangle. So that is length times width. So same true, they have the same measurements. So that is 3 centimeter. Multiply it to 2 centimeter. So 3 times 2, that is 6 centimeter squared. There. Okay, figure 3. It's a long rectangle. Long. It's a long one. Sorry. Okay, so the length is 8 centimeter. Length times width. 8 centimeter. Multiply it to the width, which is 2. So 2 centimeter. 8 times 2, that's 16 centimeter squared. Add all of this. That's the area of this composite figure. So that is 6 centimeter squared plus 6 centimeter squared plus 16. Align the ones. Centimeter squared. Bring down the unit so that you won't forget it. 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 plus 6 is 18. Bring down 8, carry 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Therefore, the area of the composite figure is 28 centimeter squared. If you got 28 centimeters squared, give yourself 2 points. Letter D, the last but not the least. It's letter E. Letter E figure. I'm going to cut it this way. Okay. If we are going to notice, this has the same measurements, right? This is 3 centimeter each, 8 centimeter. Therefore, this also measures 8 centimeter. The same, okay? If this is 8 centimeter, opposite side is also 8 centimeter. The total length of this is 12 centimeter. Therefore, what's the measurement of this side? Since this is 8, That's 12 minus 8, which gives us 4. Therefore, this measures 4 centimeter. Okay. So we have figure 1, figure 2, figure 3, and figure 4. But if we are going to notice, figure 1, 2, and 3 are just the same. So we are going to solve for this. Area of this tiny but long rectangle. Okay. So that's length times width. Your length is 12 centimeter. Multiply it to the width, which is 3 centimeter. Please don't use calculator in solving. 8 times 3. Skip counting. 8, 16, 24. So that's 24 centimeter squared. Okay. So this measures 24 centimeters squared. Since they are just identicals, therefore we can say that this also measures 24 centimeters squared, and same true with this. Now we are done solving for the figure 1, 2, and 3. Lastly, solve for the area of figure 4. This is 1, 2, and 3. It's obviously it's a rectangle, so that's length times width. Our length is 19 centimeter. Multiply it to the width, which is 4 centimeter. 19 times 4, no using of calculator, solve it manually. 19 times 4, 4 times 9, that is 36. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 3, don't forget to add, plus 3, that's 7. Therefore, 19 times 4 is 76 centimeter squared. Lastly, all we have to do is to add this all. Okay. So that's 24 centimeters squared plus 24 centimeters squared plus 24 centimeters squared plus 76 centimeters squared. We have 24 centimeters squared and plus 76 centimeters squared. Bring down the unit so that you won't forget. 4 plus 4 is 8, plus 4 is 12. 12 plus 6 is 18. Bring down 1, carry 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 plus 7 is 14. Therefore, the area of this composite figure is 148 centimeters squared. If your answer is 148 centimeters squared, give yourself 2 points. Therefore, your practice activity overall, that is 8/8 points.